You feel better?
Yes.
That's good. Why?
I feel great.
What are you doing?
Walking. I don't know. Where are we going, Matt?
I don't know.
You know? We're just exploring.
All right, Moo. That was a fun ride.
No, it wasn't.
Why not? What was wrong with it?
It was long.
We're about to go find ourselves a California burrito from the great Newport Liquor. What did I say? Yes, I'm getting a burrito at a fucking liquor store. Definitely an OB. See this? It's heavy. Now that's a burrito.
Or possibly your drive home if you are. We've got your anytime favorite traffic. We do have a few following this afternoon.
Go and grab the salsa bottle.
Buy smart, build confidence based on real vehicles. Visit NissanUSA.com today for special financing rates. Retailing data with these time favorite traffic.
We're here, Ocean Beach, California. You know, that's how we do it. We're just enjoying the beautiful, beautiful area.
What more do I say? We're at the beach, YouTube. And it is dirt and sand and water.
Yeah. What's going on? Wait on this fucking call. A bunch of crabs in here. Hold on.
No, grab this big one. It's like connected. Ah! They're hiding.
We don't want to come out and play.
I see one. I'm crab hunting.
Oh, he's in there.
Oh, I see one.
Me too.
Dead crab.
How much do you think it costs to live right there? It looks like shit though. It's now leasing though.
800 a month.
800 a month. It's probably way more than that. You gotta look at what you're looking at every day. You're paying for that. You're not paying for that. You're paying for that. Birds! But every time I walk past here, there are people fucking partying in this one. Ah! And if you ever watch this YouTube video, the people who party in that place, invite us in once in a while. I'm Matt the Dragon, bitch.
I'm Matt the Dragon, bitch.